The Nova team is back again with a new update on their extension, which adds a feature being able to snipe directly from X. If you did not watch my video yesterday about the newest update and how to download their new update, you can follow this video linked there. I can run through the process very quickly. First, you'll go to your Manage Extension page. You'll make sure that you have developer mode on. You're going to remove any prior installation that you have of Nova and get rid of uBlock or AdBlock if you have them, as well as Tamper Monkey if you were using those for prior workarounds, because they may impact the performance of the new extension. Go to docs.tradeonnova.io to download the new extension manually. Hit download and go back to your extensions page, click load unpacked, and you'll load the NovaClick file folder that you downloaded. And that is how you install the new extension. Once you have it installed, you're going to run over to click.tradeonnova.io, click connect to re-authenticate with Telegram. You'll be good to go when it's disabled. So normal X post, but once I enable, I see this buy with Nova. Anytime you see a CA on X, if you have NovaClick enabled on X, you will be able to snipe the CA directly. One thing that I know that there will be questions about, fees, sniping from X, set fees. I'm not going to be able to give you a number because what you should set it on should be based on how much you're trading, how important it is that you land that trade, and kind of what your targets are for getting money back. If I'm buying something for 3 Sol, it does not bother me to use the auto tip that's recommended at 0.03 if I'm selling at a 2 or 3x. But if you're trading 0.1, understand, if you use a tip of 0.03 and you try to sell at 120% profit, you are just breaking even. If you actually wanted to make money, you would need to be selling at 250% to be making double your money. You have to be cognizant of setting your fees with low portfolio values. Do not just follow the crowd and ask people what fees to use. So, in knowing that, there are a couple places where you can look to see what priority fees are currently being paid by other traders, so you can get an idea of what you should potentially set yours at. The first is going to be Solscan. Solscan is going to show up top in the banner. The minimum is the base, and then you have the max fee that was paid. Someone had paid 0.05. In BullX, you can see private updates, and BullX struggling on the MEV side. Using MEV on BullX with 0.001, it takes 17 seconds for transactions. And then before you start your day trading, I would highly recommend checking my Dune dashboard. You can get a good idea of what's the market look like. Are there a lot of runners out there right now? By looking at this dashboard, you can see the average priority fee over the last hour, as well as the max. The max was 5 on average. Most people are trading with 0.002. If it's not super pressing, Nova is generally faster than other bots. You can probably double this number and be safe landing most transactions. So you have Nova that will use processors that fill faster than others. If you're using a good priority fee, those are the things that make a perfect combo. You might be wasting money if you're dropping 0.03 on everyday trades. This dashboard shows you daily volumes in comparison to the rest of the week. Today, especially because it's almost end of day UTC time, is closing out to be a lighter volume day. The market might be a little drier. Other things on this dashboard you might find helpful. The Trader Dash, I've got the profit leaders, daily profit leaders using BullX, Photon, Nova, and Bloom. This is just buy volume versus sell volume for wallets connected with these bots. Not all trades may have been made through these bots, but they use them historically, which is why they're tied to it. It might be helpful to look at some of these wallets, at least directly to GMGN, check the wallet, see what they've been trading. Obviously, this person made a killer trade on Vine. That's why they were up so high on the leaderboard today. Beyond that, on the Dash, this is the full breakout of the tokens. Vine is trading at 247 mil. You can see other runners launched within the last day. If you just started your trading day, take a look at what's launched in the last day. You can get a good idea of the narrative. Hopefully you enjoy the new update to Nova and you find this dashboard useful, and hopefully this dashboard helps you. There's a lot of great people like Adam and Hunter that have built super cool data sets It's easy to manipulate to get your own query that serves your purposes. So if there is anything that you feel would be helpful to make you a better trader, let me know. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.